All right, turn it on. You got me in a good position?
Yeah, you're good.
All right, it's your boy Machiavelli, time back on another video. Today, we're outside Elijah's Automatic Flameburg Burgers. I'm gonna go in there. My boy put me on the spot. He showed me a TikTok, and what I seen, I liked it. So we're here to check it out. Let's go. All right. Come on. He speaks fire. Come. I don't really see anybody in here. You know what I mean? Oh, got a customer here, customer there. Hey, I'm fine. How are you? Okay. Oh, you guys got donuts. Okay. What's your best burger that you have here? Like,
It's double cheeseburger with onion, pickle, mustard, ketchup.
Say that again?
Onion, pickle, mustard, ketchup, cheese, and double patty.
What's it called?
Automatic.
Automatic? Is that like your famous? Okay, let me get one of those. What do you want?
I'll get the bacon automatic.
Bacon automatic? Let me get mine with like fries, if I can. What about you? Same thing? What's the total?
So automatic, bacon automatic, and two fries.
Yeah.
24.05.
24.05?
44.
44.05? Okay. So how long have you guys been open?
3 months.
3 months? Okay. How's business?
Sorry?
How's business?
Yeah, it's
Good? Okay, I seen like a TikTok on the internet, and my boy showed me, so I decided to come here. Yeah, I saw good reviews. Hopefully it tastes good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you tried it yourself?
Sorry?
Have you tried it yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. What would you like rate it?
I really like food.
You really like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you ordered it.
Okay. Of course not. They need that. My life. Okay. So how long?
How long for the new order? I think 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay. All right. How much are you donuts? How much are donuts for?
So for the regular one with the hole,
Yeah.
it's 4.90.
4.19?
Filled one's 4.39, and
Oh.
apple pear 4.99.
Okay, maybe I might grab one, but not right now. Okay? Yeah. Give me a second. Forward. All right, come. Wait, right here. Bro, this place looks like. What would you describe this place as? It looks like kind of like gothic, right? Minimalist? Yeah.
Minimalist, gothic.
Yeah.
Very
I mean-
closed off.
Like, look, show them the candles. Like, it looks like some like Halloween type of shit. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah.
Since we walked in here, this place has been bumping.
Yeah. As soon as we came in, there's like been like 10 people behind us. You know? It's funny because when we came in, it was empty, but you know.
Exactly.
Hopefully this was popping though, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Alright, what do you want?
Yo, let me get the old-fashioned chocolate then.
Alright, an old-fashioned chocolate.
These look pretty fire. I'm not gonna lie.
Apple pear is the most popular one.
The apple, so change mine to the apple fritter then. If that's the most popular.
Old-fashioned and one apple pear.
No, I want the.
He wants
I want the sport.
the score. Give me the apple fritter. It looks like chocolate. Is there chocolate in it? No? How much?
8.30.
10.38. That's not bad. For 2 donuts? I mean, it's a lot, but I mean, look where we're at. You know what I mean? We gotta be fire. My what?
He wants you to know your YouTube.
Oh, my YouTube?
Oh, YouTube or TikTok?
Yeah,
YouTube. Oh, my
You're
YouTube?
making a full-on video of this.
Yeah. That's what I do. The YouTube is called I'll tell you. You want the handle or the actual YouTube?
Yeah, the actual YouTube.
Okay, it's ITS. I'm gonna show it to you right now. Actually, type in ITS. Oh, yeah, I'll do it myself. It's hold on. Vibe TV. What am I doing? Your phone's a little different, I can't type like how I type on mine. I think it's the. There you go. There you go. Yeah. That's what I do. Food review. So yeah. Subscribe. All right. Woo! Patio's looking crazy. Not gonna lie, this place is a good setup. All right, let's try this food. All right, so we got the automatic burger, as you can see. Okay, come take a look at the burger. You know the burger? We got pickles, we got ketchup, mustard, the patty. It looks like a smash burger. I'm not gonna lie, it looks fire. We got cheese, and we got onions at the bottom. I'm not gonna lie, this burger looking like it's fire. All right, let me take a bite. Okay, not gonna lie, the bun itself, nice and soft. It has a nice little toast to it. The patties, well seasoned. We got like 2 patties on here. I don't know if you guys can see. The onions are hitting too, nice and sauteed. Mm. Yeah, this is a pretty solid burger. I'm not gonna lie. As you guys know, I'm not really a pickle person, but the pickles on this, they're doing their thing. Yeah, it's pretty fire. All right, but try the fries. You got me right? Recording?
Yep. They're all Gucci.
Woo! Look at these fries. Some of the fries. Some of the fries. Some of the fries. Right off the rip, I can tell you they look like McDonald's fries. These fries though are cooked in what? Like beef?
Beef tallow.
Beef tala?
Tallow.
So beef tallow. Okay, okay, okay.
The way that fries were originally made.
Back in the day.
Back in the day, like in
Until
the
they got
80s,
greedy.
90s, yeah?
Until they got greedy. Okay.
And started cutting costs.
Okay, okay, okay. So these should have like a beef flavor pretty much, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I'll try them right now.
No, these are the way fries are supposed to taste in real life.
I mean, they look like McDonald's fries, so right off the rip, I'm not gonna lie, they're probably fire. Mmm. No fucking way. No
That's
fucking
the
way.
walk. The back walk.
No fucking way. Nah. Nah, these are fire still. But they damn near taste like McDonald's fries, I'm not gonna lie. You wanna try them? Go ahead, let me give you.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
You can't tell me they don't taste like McDonald's fries.
That is absolutely amazing.
Bro, I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
The best fries I've had in a very long time.
One of the best fries he said he had in a very long time.
Very long time.
Very long time, bro.
Very long time.
Holy fuck. Like, bro, like, they're
crispy.
Yeah.
They're salty.
Yeah.
They're perfect.
Yes.
And fluffy.
Yes. Exactly.
You know? The way that they're supposed to be.
Come on. Spin that. All right, listen. You heard him. He loves the fries. They're on point. I'm not gonna lie. These fries are like, yo, perfectly salted, like you said. Perfect texture. You can't go wrong. You guys gotta try these fries. Anyhow, when I rate these fries right here, I'm gonna rate them like a 10. I'm not gonna lie. Like they're hitting like McDonald's fries. You know what I mean? They're on point. The burger. Oh, hold up. Forgot this. What did you say this was? The apple what?
Apple fritter.
Apple fritter. I mean, look, you can't lie. Come get a close up on this. Come look. It looks like chocolate, no?
Yep.
I don't know where they got the color from, but I don't know if it's cinnamon or what, but take a bite. Okay. It's not bad. It's not bad, man. Not at all. I mean, the bun, I feel like it could be more like soft, but at the same time, this has probably been set out for a little bit, so when I get it fresh, it's probably gonna hit better. It's just fire still. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not really a donut person. I only eat donuts like that. When you hear me saying donuts is fire, it's hitting different. What I rate this, I'm gonna give this like a 9 out of 10. It's actually pretty solid, so no lie. Anyhow, back to the burger. The automatic burger. It's on point. I'm not gonna lie. It's not the best burger I ever had, but it's pretty solid. What I rate this? I'm gonna give it like a 8.5 out of 10. Fire, so
Solid score.
solid score.
Solid score.
Hold up, what did you get?
I got the bacon automatic.
The bacon automatic. Let me get a piece of that, bro. Just to review. So come grab it. It's a small piece. My boys give. What is this? Bacon,
The bacon
automatic?
automatic.
Taking a small piece of my boy's bacon automatic just to give you guys a review. Put it down. Yeah. Got me? So what's on this again?
Bacon. It's the same as yours, just added bacon.
Okay, so
No pickles.
same thing, but they have bacon. Oh, I have no bacon on mine. Come and grab some bacon. Put a piece of bacon on mine. Small. Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Woo! Fucking up your burger. It's all good. You put it back together.
Yeah.
The bacon. All right. Bacon automatic. Just bacon. What is this? Onions.
Onion, pickle.
Pickles. Obviously a beef
yeah,
patty.
everything.
Ketchup, mustard. All right. Mmm. Yeah, this is pretty fire. So this is actually, yo, bro. What, bro? You made a better choice than me. Dead ass. This shit hitting, bro. This shit hitting, bro.
That's a 9.5 out of
9.5.
10. That's a 9.5. That bacon was
9.5?
saltiness.
That, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. That
That's
saltiness is
saltiness?
hitting. So saltiness is hitting, bro. Holy fuck. Nah, bro. That's a solid burger. Let them see that. Bacon. See that? Double patty cheese. Bro, this is better than what I had. This here, I'm gonna say 9.5. I'm gonna say a 9. This is a 9 out of 10. It's pretty solid. Still. Nice saltiness, like he said. The bacon's fried to perfection. Along with the patty, smashed patty. Bro, 9 out of 10. Let's leave it like that. Leave it like that. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I want you guys to come try this food. It's actually pretty fire. Shout out to my boy TJ. He held it down for me, being a cameraman. Anyhow, it's the boy Machiavelli tapping out in this video. Peace.